In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mail merge Avery labels using Google Docs and Google Sheets. This is a fantastic tool if you have a list of addresses or contact information you need to organize onto labels quickly. Let's get started. First, we're going to begin by opening Google Sheets. You'll need a spreadsheet that contains all the information you wish to merge onto your labels. This typically includes columns for names, addresses, or any other data you'd like on the labels. Once you have your spreadsheet ready, the real fun begins. Next, click on the Extensions tab in the menu bar at the top of your Google Sheets. It's going to be one of your best friends in this process as it houses the necessary add-ons we'll be using. Now, if you already have the Avery Label Merge add-on, you're all set. If not, don't worry. Just go ahead, click on add-ons, and then get add-ons. In that area, search for Label Maker, and once you find it, click Install. This might take a moment, so grab a quick coffee if you'd like. Once the installation is complete, or if you already have the Avery Label Merge extension, go ahead and click on it. Then proceed to click on Start. This intuitive little command will bring up a sidebar on the right-hand side of your screen. You should see the options related to your labels here. As we continue, the next step involves clicking Merge Labels on the pop-up window that appears. This is the heart of the operation as it prepares to pull the information from your spreadsheet and integrate it onto your labels. Depending on how much data you are handling, this step may take a few moments, so don't worry if everything doesn't happen instantaneously. Now, a crucial step arrives where you'll click Yes on another pop-up window. This is just confirming to the system that you indeed want to proceed with the merge. It's a vital step, so make sure you hit yes or you may find yourself stuck here. Finally, after confirming, you'll see the option to click Google Document. This action will direct the merge labels to open up in a brand new Google document, neatly organized and ready to print. It's a nifty final step that transforms all that spreadsheet data into tidy labels, direct and ready for use. And there you have it, from spreadsheet to labels, all in a matter of moments using Google Docs and Google Sheets. I hope you found this tutorial straightforward and helpful. With the right tools like this, managing labels doesn't have to be a chore, but can instead be a simple, streamlined process. Thank you for tuning in and happy label making.